On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB?
Okay.
I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Now done, which is cool.
AlexOCrypto.
It doesn't really change anything yet, right? Because if we're looking at our 4-hour structure, yes, we've taken this low, but
good. What's going on, Otter Gang? Gang. My God. Good to see you guys. How we all doing? I should turn up the mic a bit. I guess turn it up for the evening stream. Check. We good? My God, Jeanette bless in the house, man. God bless you, Jeanette. Even though you're a Dodgers fan, man. She brings on the bullish moons, guys. Everybody put a bullish moon. Put a moon in the chat for Jeanette. Day one. She's a day oneer, man. You're a day oneer. Does that make you old, or does that just make you? I think that just makes you loyal to the coil, girl. Thank you so much for being part of the family for so long. You know we love you here, even if you're a Dodgers fan. See, you go Windows sign, Windows sign period. You type in moon, and you get the moons. Jeanette blessing us with some pumpage here. Guys, I don't even know if I should trade tonight. We should just watch Wave Cipher. What do you guys think?
than it is for Bitcoin to pump from here to here. And changing the
We're just gonna watch you.
bullish generally leads to some pretty significant upward price action. So if we can get that kind of setup with a nice
You're watching a streamer, watch a streamer who's streaming.
Right? Because, I mean, you come down, sweep this, you break this.
You're watching a streamer, watch a streamer who is streaming.
5% stop loss. Even better, you get in on like a golden pocket mitigation. It's like a 2% stop loss. And your target is, well, I mean, depending on how this week closes, your target's either the golden pocket or your target is the previous weekly week high. So that's a pretty nice trade setup. Did I signal both Discords for this 98K setup? Let me make sure I put it in.
That's pretty funny, right?
I did. Yeah, so if you aren't already in the What's up, Alex? Good to see you. Yeah, I was saying maybe on Tuesday, Wednesdays we'll stream an hour early or something. It's good to see you. But yeah, guys, so it's it's so much easier for Bitcoin to bounce from here and break structure here.
Is
break up
Geo
here.
still streaming?
There's
Confluence,
so much
basically.
confluence at this level down here. We have the
But it's
liquidity
not
from the daily
about-
low here.
It's not about like what,
We have this
Uh,
previously untapped daily demands.
like okay, here for example,
We
I'll show you
also
right now.
have
and then I'm gonna go. Bitcoin just swept my line.
the
Okay,
day,
swept
the
my line.
2-day 200 EMA.
And you had red
which
vectors.
Bro,
on-
Alex
all cycle
OCrypto's
long has
playing
given you
live.
pretty much the
Oh, really?
absolute bottom. Right?
Okay, we
Yeah.
had what's up, AlexOCrypto people.
With the
So
50 EMA all the
Bitcoin
way up
swept
here,
this
you
low,
guys
right?
know when we
Guys,
test
this is
200
bad.
and
You have
above
red
the 200,
vectors, and then you
we
popped
pretty
out
much
with
retest the
non-red
50, which
vectors.
would be a
Like,
pump
or
to
with-
111.
Is this bad? Should I just like tell you
So that
guys?
would be awesome. And otherwise, even if it doesn't sweep the bottom here, right, we still have the
This
longs
is your
from
brain
here.
on drugs, guys.
Now, what we have done and what we haven't done, we have
This is literally Jesse
came back up to
Gluck's
retest
life
supply.
right here, guys. Everybody, this is Jesse Gluck's life.
and we did get
He's
a
in everyone's
5-minute
stream.
bear
On a
break.
long that I took here. This long, I'm still in it. I know that there's a long here, but sometimes what I'll do is I'll turn on. This
We
is
did get a
like
5-minute
this is how I use it,
J-POW at the highs
right?
here.
Same deal here. Look. So we
This
had
is
red
how I
vectors
We
feel
got our
right
going
now,
S&P
guys.
break of
We
structure.
came
We never
up, we
came back up
popped
and
out
broke
with
the high,
zero
and now
vectors.
we've come down.
Okay. We popped
Bro,
out
but
you
zero
what
guys
we
vectors.
haven't
learning?
done yet is we
Vectors
haven't
here,
broken
as we
15
popped out,
minute
I would be a
structure.
little
So
bit
our
more
15-minute low is still down
concerned
here. I believe
with this
we
move. Okay, but I don't have
dumped to,
vectors
like,
down
the
here. Look,
pocket of that.
red vectors down,
Or
recovered by
786, yeah, we
non-vectors.
dumped to
When you
786
get
of
recovered
that.
by non-vectors,
Trying to get a
now I
bounce
don't have
here.
a reason.
All right, I'm gonna start doing
for them to
TA2
come
at the
back
same
down
time,
here,
guys.
which
We
is
haven't
what I
flipped any
want if
key
I'm long
structure
from
yet,
here. I'm
right?
long from here right now.
So we didn't
There's no
actually
reason
take
for
this
them to
low
come
over
back
here.
down
So
here.
your
I
5-minute
already
high
had
is
that
still all the
bias. I
way back
already
up
knew
here.
that there's no reason to come back
So
down here because I got good
All right, everybody.
at what I'm trading.
If
You know,
this
I got
starts
good
to
at-
roll
Now looking
over,
at
I got
Bitcoin
good
here,
at
looks like
trading.
we
we are
can
gonna get
continue
a
upwards here.
bearish
So
cross from
Look,
50 and
red
200.
vectors down.
we got an
and
inverse
that
head and
looks like
shoulders
a-
here.
that's
Looking to
good
break
for
out
my
this
long.
inverse head and
Right,
shoulders,
so
everybody, of
I'm
the
not really
Bitcoin price
I'm
action
trading
here. Look, we
not
got
towards it, but that's
The more
a couple
that
of
we
nice
pump up,
lower
the
highs,
more
higher
we
lows.
squeeze.
Looking for
Here,
continuation here. No
you can
trade
see
yet. Just
5
waiting
minute
for it to
point
come
on
back
me,
probably
because,
a
like,
little bit
I
lower
want-
before we
Came in
consider a
recovered,
long.
and
I
now
want
we're
kinda
popping out with no
compact
vectors.
4-hour
This is a
structure,
good sign
so
for my long.
If we come down and
Did I
break it
need
now,
this? No, I
then
longed
it's
this
only like a
without anything on my
5% move
screen.
to
I
break
already
back
knew that I wanted
bullish.
to long from here.
But if we
Could it
come back
fail?
up to like
Absolutely,
golden
it could
pocket
fail.
or
Nothing
these
ever is
EMAs,
100%. But that's the way that I use the vectors. I don't use it for directional bias anymore. I
I
use
can't do it, guys. All right. Was that fun? Was that fun? Holy shit. Welcome to Asia, everybody. Fuck. Everybody getting home from work streaming. How's everybody's trading day today? How you guys doing? Are you guys up? You guys down? You all around? You funky town? Where you guys at, man? You guys gotta let me know. Jeanette, God bless you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jeanette, for the 50. You know I love you, but I need to know how your trading was. I mean, I gave you guys the best trade all day. If you're on the live stream, I gave you guys the best trade all day. So I digress, right? If you're with me on the live stream this morning, we got long from here. I added here. We went to Valhalla. No? Put a 1 in the chat if you held that long with me from this morning. Because you're a real one. You know that we have the best trade all day long. Unless you woke up at like London and you did some funky shit in London. But New York Open, forward, I gave the best trade all day. I don't care what anyone says. All right. So we caught the low on market open like an absolute boss. Because I am, what are they calling me over in GeoStream? Top otter. Like top G, but I'm top otter, you know? Got that Giga Chat energy. I just long Solana here. Took profit up at the SFP here. Now we're dumping. I told Geo to take profits. He didn't listen to me. I have a new oscillator hacking system here. Okay, if you know, you know. Geo stopped out right now. Geo just got stopped out. Guaranteed. Stopped out in profits. He's pissed off too, I bet you. If you go over to him.
Keep misunderstanding and like are not really, following. They're not really understanding.
Told you to TP, bro.
Damn, I had this shit drew out, bro. And we were fucking off.
Where? What'd you draw?
Look, I'm trolling him now.
This short that I have right here on the screen?
Oh yeah. Did you take it?
Well, no, but I was short from earlier.
I'm trolling him now. I said I can super chat you back your
I was short from
profits.
earlier.
Is that mean? Am I being mean, guys?
Charts say a lower low. Listen, I'm 100% in agreement with you. I am with you.
I can
don't think
I can show you I
don't
took
wanna
the
say I don't
Solana
think
long
losing.
too.
On the technical side of it, like technically,
Wow.
like the technicals, there's no reason for Bitcoin's low to be in. There's no reason for Bitcoin's low to be in via the technicals.
Should we troll Geo or should we get
Could
back to
it
streaming?
be in? Yes, it could be in.
My God.
But anything is
I told him
possible.
to take profits.
Yeah, we could rim see it down.
That's what I think. That's what I think is happening.
What is-
Dr. Mr. Marco.
Or is there
No
a reason
trade
not
yet,
to-
guys.
you're
Still
saying,
waiting.
Is there a reason not to rim see it down?
Kauchi Agucha. Can I unban you from the
See, I
Discord?
don't know,
Yeah.
man. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced.
We're here to
that
troll
this
you,
is the
Geo.
high.
He's not reading the chat.
Fund me for lost profits. I took profit on my long. What do you mean? I TP'd on it. And even if I didn't, like this is now obviously a break even. So worst case, whatever. Care.
Anyways, we won't troll Geo. I love Geo, man. Geo's family. Okay, what's going on, everybody? 120 people in here. SFP of the high here, rotation down. We have a perfect double top here. Mitigation. Okay, mitigation, golden pocket retracement number 2. Rejection, continuation down, looking to come for liquidity down below, guys. So we absolutely crushed today. We're up $4,600 today. Okay, I've absolutely destroyed today. And that's because we were prepared. Okay, we were prepared with the pink box on Bitcoin. We were prepared with key levels on Solana. As you can see, the support and resistance on Solana is absolute alpha. We've been absolutely crushing it. Retest back in here. Obviously, break a structure here. Retest back in, taking that down. I took a so long here. Got out at the SFP for retracement. So I shorted Bitcoin up here. If we go over to Bitcoin, we can see up here. Perfect pink box rejection for the gang. 3-minute break of structure. I told everybody in the Discord, if you're part of our Discord, you would have had the warning, sign of weakness. This is the first sign of weakness coming into our pink box. We were able to short right here. I took a short here, and I took this thing all the way down into the orb. Easy money. Okay, so I've been on absolute effing fire today. That's just because I'm prepared. That's it. Okay, so a beautiful trading day for me right now. Looking for a doji and golfing here on Solana. We are a little bit overextended. I was looking a little bit lower. Let's see if we can take some trades tonight, guys. No trade right now. Still waiting. Doji and golfing, trying to push back here on our little Solana break here. I did like coming down for this fair value gap here. Since mitigated, I do like the imbalance up in here for this fair value gap up in here that we can target potentially for a long here. We'll see if we get bottoming structure. This is looking to push back right now, so let's be patient right now as we proceed to give you what you need. Okay, so thank you everybody for being here, supporting this stream. You guys are pretty awesome. I do expect you guys to say good morning, good evening, what's up, how's it going, ciao, buongiorno, whatever you're into. Philly Skills, Alexander G, triple, what's going on? Nice push here, higher low, continuation up, retested previous lows coming in. No trade yet, good strength here. Market cipher clipping. We're looking for a bull div here. Looking for a bull div trigger wave. We might get one here. Not yet. Wait for the candle to close. We'll see how it reacts here. We got a minute and a half left on this candle. Nice pushback here. Bitcoin trying to push back buy level. Coming into a buy level, trying to push back as well. Losing orb, retesting orb, breaking down. Critical resistance here at 135 or 103.5. Okay, so critical resistance here. Obviously, pink box worked magic today. Long from down here this morning. just giving it back. That's all that's happening right now. It's just giving it back. So it's coming back down. Rounded top. Typically comes back to where it started. Solana trying to push up here. Doji engulfing candle trying to push. Continuation up. Looking to come for 162.2. That's kind of my target. Anybody in any trades right now? Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. 152 people in here. Lucky deal. What's going on, man? Philly. Fakir, good morning. Philly Skills. Crypto Heli, good morning. Tinder. Joe, what's going on, man? Double teabag. Yeah, we double teabagging in the banning. I don't know. I think I banned somebody and they want to get back in the Discord. I don't know. I trust my mods. If they banned you, they didn't like you for some reason or another, and that's cool, man. I mean, we're a pretty tight-knit community. 8 traders, incredible guys. Don't be kind, don't be a douche canoe. I don't know what you did, but I trust them. MBF, good to see you. Look at this. Look at this thing glitch, man. The like button here is glitching on that. B monitor, Jeanette, God bless you. I love you. Harp, Mark, Philly, Evade, Bearded Mac Mike. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Quick Smoker, Henderson, Bongs, not wars. Okay. All the moons in the chat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Can't sleep, bro. Okay. Newbie Crypto. What's going on? Just smoked a hoot and turned on this mess. What is going on? Was I messing you guys all up? That's just... Thank you as I go crazy. Yeah, we were streaming. Everybody streaming who was restreaming a stream who was streaming to an audience. Great candle close here. Pushing up. R.S. Miller, Ryan Smith, Infinite Team TA. What's going on? Ando Poncho, thanks for the 20, man. God bless you. We got a bunch of lurkers in here. Lurker. Speed, what's going on? Good to see you, Lewis. Good to see you. Jason Lurker, Robert Lurker, JP Lurker, Roger Lurker. You're a lurker. You're a lurker. What's going on, Dutchy? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, Mark? Lurker. What's going on, Jake? Good to see you, brother. How you doing? Andor Lurker, Future Lurker. Told Big Dal, what's going on, man? Dang, AlexO APM stream. Yeah, this is the this is the auto gang Asian stream. Very simple. We press buy, we press sell. Okay? It's also a little bit after dark. It's a bit racist and it's a bit, we say the word retard and gay sometimes, and I'm sorry for that. That's the generation I grew up with. It's allowed in my household, therefore it's allowed on my YouTube. If you can't handle it, then get out of the kitchen. That's kind of how we roll. I don't abuse it. It's used with emphasis, okay? So don't be retarded. And if you're gay, you haven't hit the like button already, okay? Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. Well, we're looking to trade today. All right, we're already up 4,600 or whatever. I lost count today. It's just too lucrative. I could add it up for you if you guys wanted, but that would take too long. But I can show you the last trades because that's how we roll, right? That's how we roll. It just doesn't stop, right? I don't know. I'm on a winning spree. Oh, $5 loss. Oopsie. Sorry, lost $5. Okay. Bitcoin looking weak here. Solana coming back, grabbing liquidity. Failure to push. Triple bullish divergence. Higher low. Continuation. SFP up here. Coming for this high. Not convinced. Very very Asian manipulated. So we're ready for it, guys. Evening streams are fire. Let's go. Up or down. Don't be sorry for gay. Okay. Just coming in. Rest easy. What's going on, man? Why was that so good? I lurk my wife. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. I'm a lurker. Good to see you, Dab and Flow. I'm a new lurker here. Welcome, Shiring. We mainly stream market open, guys. We just stream 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. in the morning. We've started doing some Asian streams. Asia streams, sorry, not Asian. Okay, Asia. Okay, Paper Planes, my man. What's going on, bro? How you been? Paper Planes, day one, man. Bullish Bradley, good to see you. Not racial there. Keep trying. Okay, exactly. Guys, good morning from India, bro. I get enough I'm from India's in the morning push car. Push. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. Thank you for being here, Pushkar. I appreciate it, bro. From India. I'm from Canada, from an igloo. All right, this is in an ASMR stream, man. You know what? So like when I was younger, right? We used to go like in the city. So in the country, you got your cows, right? Here's your cow. Moo, right? With your tail. And in the country, you used to go to cow tipping. So you would go and you'd flip cows when you were drinking, okay, as a teenager. So what we used to do is we used to have, because I was the city slicker, right? And where's the car here, guys? So in the city, we would go smart car. We would get really drunk, right? We'd be like 17, 18, and we would go smart car turning, okay? So what we would do is we'd look for a smart car, okay? That was parked, it was parked in its parking spot here. And it was between two other cars, okay? This is like legit, guys. And we would turn, like four guys, we would hammer it out of our heads, right? And we would turn the car sideways in the parking spot like this. I'm going to hell for telling people this. So we would always keep, like every time we would go drinking, we would always keep 6 for a smart car parked between two cars. And each guy would grab a corner and we'd shuffle it and we'd go smart car turning. I thought I'd share that with you. Is that too far? Is that too far? I mean, you know how funny it is watching someone walk up to their car and it's sideways? It's so good, man. This was like 17, 18. I've done it to at least 4 or 5 cars. I'm sorry, whoever's. God forgive me. God forgive me, for I have sinned. But yeah, we used to go smart car turning because cow tipping. We heard of cow tipping, but we're city kids. We're like, what the hell can we do like cow tipping, man? We got to do something. Anyways, let's do top-down analysis. Where we're at, what we're looking for, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Enough of my bullshit. Let's keep going here. So what do we have today? We have a beautiful rejection. We had a beautiful SFP. We had a beautiful continuation. We're overextended to the upside. So what led the way today? NASDAQ. The bid on NASDAQ has been absolutely euphoric today. As you can see in here, the NASDAQ did not want to stop. It was just up only, right? So you jumped on trend, you made money today. We managed to catch the low of the morning, which paid us handsomely, right? So we got in here this morning and we took this sucker all the way up for a nice, $2,000-$3,000. I can't even remember. Beautiful trades in between. Okay, so now what are we doing? We're flagging out. We're coming back for sell side liquidity. So we're looking for all of this stuff in here. Okay, if this, then that. Do we come here? We'll see. Looking at Bitcoin, we had our key level of resistance, okay? Resistance, the pink box, okay? And I told everybody in the Discord, if you're not part of the Discord, well, if you're not banned from the Discord, you can come over to the Discord and you can get your setups and your ideas and your levels. Like I said, first sign of weakness. Here we go. Pink box, bearish divergence, break a structure, retest. Here's your short, guys. You just press sell here and you make money because you have a break, you have a key level, a very key level, might I add, and a rejection. Okay, so that was the short in advance. And we share the spoon with everybody. And if you're not aware, in our Discord, we like to spoon feed you. Okay. Because our Discord has 8 traders, unstoppable, alpha, all day, every day. Incredible. Even Wave Cypher is streaming right now. I kind of feel bad, but guess what? Top Otter is streaming, so I can't help it, right? Look, potential long setups, ideas, amazing, incredible, super duper califragilistic expialidocious, amazing community. So now what, right? Now we've hit that major key level of resistance. We never took what we were looking for is a 4-hour candle close above this high, which is not happening. Clearly, we have put in our high and our low, and our high and our lower high, and we are breaking down now. Well, what are we coming for? Well, liquidity, right? So looking for a revisit back into here, okay? This is major sell wall, and we also have a major sell or a major resistance level in here. This right here, 103.5 and up is a totally new range, okay? Getting acceptance above there, it's going to be hard. Okay, very hard. So if this, then that. So we have some buy levels on the way. Giant orb today, losing orb, breaking down, continuation down into our first level of consideration. But let's take a better look here and let's get rid of some of these and let's reset them and prepare ourselves. Look at that nice little block that I was looking at. Anyways, so what are we going to do? We're going to pull our macro fib and our close fib. So we're going to go from swing low to swing high. We're going to extend this downwards here. This is going to be our major liquidity sweep buy level. Down below, I'm going to lower this down into here, into our liquidity level. We can lower our raise as well and get rid of that. So that's going to be major. Where else are we going to look? Swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high. We're going to look at this golden pocket liquidity zone right below us here. Golden pocket liquidity zone, extend that over. Bottom of the orb, that looks good to me as well. Okay, so we got 2 levels here. We could go off this impulse down here, but I prefer the low of that range. So we're looking here, we're looking here. We also have that block in here. So let's include a little bit of that block just so that we look for that revisit of previous highs as well. When we're coming back to take some liquidity, let's check out volume. Volume support, good, check. Coming back into here, no levels, okay? So as we proceed, we can see that we're building out a chart. We can simply see what we're looking for, where we're looking for reactions on price and how to take advantage of them, okay? This is going to be our local pink box. It's going to be the major one. This is going to be irrelevant. It's just a fair value gap. If they're going to come here, they're going to come for the liquidity down below. Okay, so we're looking here, and everywhere, okay? As we break down, we're tracking momentum to the downside, which is something that we want to be prepared for. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so if we break that, we can get going, okay, kind of deal. But look at how quick we moved up here, and it's very choppy on the way up, right? So this just creates liquidity, and typically, once you break structure in here, you come and get it after hitting a key level, which is what we were looking for. Okay, so we're prepared. So we'll see how price materializes for the rest of the evening, where we are below VWAP, quick slap, and dump. Okay, so looking for a continuation here. Bearish divergence. Yep, exhaustion coming down. Okay, so a little bit of patience here, very slow. Volume decreasing. Okay, decreasing volume over time here. Patience. Requires patience. Okay, so we're prepared. We'll do the top-down analysis. We won't do like a big macro analysis. We'll leave that for the morning, guys, in the Discord. Solana, consolidating, chopping. Prepared trader. Okay, so we have our key levels. Look at the spoons in the chat. Discord's lit as fuck. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. It's too good, man. See you in the morning, Donato. Take care, bro. Leave the cows alone. See? Nice to see you for Asia Sesh. Nice to see you, Dallas. Good to see you, man. Pushkar, Jeanette, God bless you. Raves, we used to turn cars like this too in South Africa. There's these 1.4 Datsun trucks, yeah. That's awesome. Changing out license plates. How did your near fusion oscillator play out today? I'm up $4,600. That's how it played out today, Ryan. So it's done its job. Here is a good one. When we got remarried and moved across the parking lot, hand carrying it. It was a Doge Omen. It used 12 of us to move it. She spotted what was happening at the window and was upset. Should collab with Wave. Wave Cypher can come on anytime he wants, man. Love Wave Cypher. We'll have to coordinate something. What's going on, IKO? Good to see you, man. Yo, what's going on, boys? Is this David? What's going on, bro? Gotta come on. Gotta get you coming and trading. Dude, you're almost at you gonna hit 100K yet, bro? I might not be coming to Vegas for Bitcoin conference this year, man. It's a lot. Everybody here follows you, though. We love you guys. How's everything? Buy these. I watched some of this morning. You guys have been doing a great job. Hopefully you guys are doing well. You and the family. Much love to Sin City, man. Baby is definitely asleep, yeah. Baby just fell asleep, literally. Yeah. Nice push here, Solana. Trying to go. Nice momentum on Solana right now. I want to see it come into this gap right here. Momentum pushing up. Sin City Crypto. Awesome. Love you guys. Hola. You buying green box for bounce? We'll see. Just here to scalp tonight, man. We'll see what goes on. Share the stream if you have time. We love you too, man. That's good, man. That's good. I'm glad you guys are doing well. You guys may not know this, but my community was buying virtual under $1. And we've been buying virtual under $1 thanks to my insight and Sin City Crypto for pointing it out. AI agents, and I looked into it and I'm like, okay, let's buy virtual. I made 17 grand off of virtual. So I'm going to come by and give you guys some Canuck bucks. Because virtual printed. And you always got to give respect where respect is due. We were buying all the way down here, averaging in boom, 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 and then good times, man. Shout out to Sin City Crypto. They actually do the work and do the research, and they don't sell you shit coins. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought? Making crypto honest again, man. Appreciate you guys. Don't sleep on the Tau dip. Yeah. Tau is massive adoption, man. They got don't they have a halving coming up too? Yeah, man, we crushed virtuals as a community. So good. So good. Look at this push, baby. Let's go, Soy Boilana. Soy Boilana. Breakout retest, looking for a retest of the high. See if we can come back in here. Good candle, looking for continuation. Inverse head and shoulders. Strength, and strength. Let's go, Asia. VWAP slap for Bitcoin. Careful. Careful here. No trade. Still waiting. Still waiting, everybody. Soul strategy, please. Buy and sell successfully with good risk management. Hit the rack. Good to see you, Jake. Village stream. Any shorts? Not right now. Higher time frame suggests lower, but this doesn't look bottoming enough for me. This looks like rotation back down. Solana not going here. I'd like to see this taken before it goes lower. Like, you have the perfect double top mitigation. It's just retest breakdown. So you're retesting previous lows, but you left a gap up here. So wouldn't be surprised if you come up here and then go. Still waiting. Anybody in the trade? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. December 10th. Okay. That's cool, man. Yeah, I wish I could come. I could come to Bitcoin conference, but it's like, it's really tight with the schedule I have right now. I got a bunch of family trips planned. A couple of you guys short, a couple of you guys long. Good job, everybody. Make sure you pay yourselves. 1.5. Everybody here should be following Sin City Crypto. You still doing your evergreen videos after the stream? BitTensor, here we go. I'll do a giveaway on your BitTensor video tomorrow, bro. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll go over and
aligned incentives and open competition. You'll out
Tensor in this video.
yeah, we'll pump these. We'll pump it, man. Do a giveaway tomorrow. John Foster Crypto, thank you so much, bro. God bless you. JR, look at JR. Moto, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon. Zen, Yonder, Lurker, Ihachi, good afternoon. Oh, that's good. You're getting a lot of shows more on the podcast side and everything like that. That's awesome, bro. I'm glad business is doing well for you guys. I love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. Giveaway now. I'll do a giveaway in the morning. Trying to push here. Bitcoin, VWAP slab, no trade. We got good continuation and exhaustion to the downside. Double trigger wave, head and shoulders trying to push out. Can we flip here? Flip orb? I'd like to see orb flip and then go. Still waiting here. Damn, what happened to Caspa? Caspa's dead. You gotta be picky, guys. You gotta be picky. Nice bounce for off 35. We were looking for hype. That looks good. Sui, $2. I think it's a steal. $2 Sui, I think it's a steal, man. Wild. Wild times, man. Bitcoin's got to go. VWAP slap here. Continuation. Trying to push here for Solana. No trade. Still waiting. I told Gio that Solana was coming to 162.2. Will it get there? Let's see. Alexandra G, can you remind me tomorrow to do the Sin City giveaway thingy? Because I know I'll forget because it's late. How sometimes you get long or short off VWAP slap and others you don't. What are you looking at when prices are near VWAP? So VWAP is we have a bunch of VWAP videos on the channel. So VWAP here, it's how are you moving into VWAP? How is price reacting on VWAP beforehand, right? So what is VWAP doing? VWAP's fresh here, right? So this is a fresh VWAP. We want to see an aggressive move through VWAP and retesting continuation. We have 3 white soldiers up into VWAP, stalling out, continuing through bullish. Okay, you see here, this tells you it's bullish, but it's trying to get through it. Okay, so this means you're chopping the WAP, meaning you want to get out and and going. You do not have a structure change, so you're still in a downtrend here. Therefore, you should not be trying to long until we have confirmation of structure, meaning taking this high. Okay. However, you can buy the momentum to profit off of this. Okay, so you can see it's obviously pushing. Right, a little late to the party. Doji engulfing down here. Could have taken that all the way up. We didn't. Okay, still a little patience in here. Look at that. Solana hitting our 162.2. Okay, 2.2. I just said 2.2. Okay, so VWAP is the key to VWAP is interpretation of price action around VWAP. Okay, this morning we never slapped VWAP. However, we were able to realize that we were above VWAP and we were trending up. So when you're trending up on VWAP, any retest into VWAP or the standard deviation one is a buy. And as you can see, that trend continued all the way up. So it's definitely how you look at it, okay? How you interpret price action, what you're using in confluence with that level, okay? And by using this, because it's going to give you the most accurate average price of the day. This is where most buyers and sellers are agreeable to exchange this price. This is the average for the day with volume, okay? Which will give you where people are happy to buy it and sell it. So you'll get reactions off of it, and you can take advantage of that. This would be golden pocket 786 area. So if we go high to low here, this is resistance here, guys. This is, we don't long the top, right? We don't long the top. We wait. We wait. I got good memory sometimes, man. I'll just give a free membership to the Discord. So I typically give a membership, and if they're already part of the Discord, then I'll give them some USDT. You don't have to match it, bro. I know you guys would match it. I love you anyways, man. You guys are always so good to me, so don't worry about it. Just say hello every now and then. I love you guys, man. I appreciate you. Have you been using the Minotaur bot, bro? What do you think? I still got like $10,000 on the Minotaur bot. It's okay. It's kind of slow, but it does what it's intended to do. It's buying dips, but it's slow. I haven't cranked it up. I think I'm too scared to crank it up, bro. I'm too much of a chicken shit. But it's been doing its thing, man. 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. I got 10 grand on it. It's not doing bad. I'm at $10 now. I need to train myself to bring it up. I would love to be a member of the Discord. Well, if you come in the morning, you'll have the opportunity to do so. The Discord has been, I don't even know how to explain it, man. Our Discord is so, I mean, you can't miss. You have 8 traders helping you at all times, right? Smart money concepts, bat patterns, long-term TA, liquidity TA, signals, trades, setups, ideas, profits galore. Couple signals, guys, setting you guys up for major success. 5 live streams a day, math. I teach you guys every single day for hours on end. I even taught today, and it's not even my day to teach. It doesn't stop in the Discord. It's I'm not a salesman. I just know that when Alex says pink box take trade and it's this good and you get to short from there this morning or this afternoon, if you can't make the $100 in our, it's not even $88. If you can't make $88 on this trade, that's just today. I don't know. You probably should go back to Walmart and push some shopping carts or something. Learn how to make a double-double at Tim Hortons or hanging man and golfing candle continuation push. I can't bring myself to buy the top, guys. I can't. This is beautiful, but can't bring myself to buy the top. Coming into resistance now. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Beautiful. I told Gio it would hit 162.2, guys. Look at that. 162.26. That's pretty good, eh? I told him it would hit it. He was long from down here. XRP, bro. That's why I bought this morning. I mean, we got long here this morning. Oh, it's too good, man. What a snipe this morning, everybody. Jeez. It's like $3,000 trade. Crazy. And like, I'm 75% out here. I added to it even. Stupid. I love days like today. Just chilling. Nice rejection. Coming back in here, retest the previous highs, mini order block. Let's go 1 minute here. Looking in here, a little bit of resistance. Overexhausted to the upside. Biddy through VWAP, looking good. See if we get continuation in here. Solana back up already. You guys already got long on me. You guys are machines. I love it. No trade, still waiting. Michael Burry's shorting the crap out of AI. Anybody else think it's topped? Well, I don't think Tesla's topped, and I don't think Nvidia's topped, but or Amazon. But you look at Meta, there's some holes in it, right? Like if we look at some of the TradFi stuff, there's some holes in it for sure. Like we look at Meta. Amazon had a great return the other day, but we look at stuff like Meta shit the bed. Microsoft shitting the bed, double top. Tesla looks very strong, but they have Optimus coming. They have self-driving cars coming. Coinbase looks good. Apple looks good. Amazon looks good. Google looks really good. Nvidia, right? But there's a couple of holes. Microsoft and Meta. But I don't know. He's a perma bear. He had one good trade, man. So they made him a movie, and now he has to. Imagine they made you a movie, so you're no longer valid if you do go long. You're a one-way trader, man. Can't hedge anything. Now we're looking for VWAP slap here. Overextended. So now we look for something like this, guys. Continuation. Mitigation, right? Market structure change, fair value gap tapped. Now we look for continuation here. Good liquidity in the highs here. Still waiting. Someone's trying to. Okay, I'll do it in the morning. I banned someone. Someone got banned in my Discord. I'll unban them. They asked nicely. As long as you're not coming into my Discord and shilling your only feet. And you're not being a douche canoe. Do you need a thumbnail and shorts editor? Pranshu. So a pram shoe. A pram is actually a baby carriage. So if you look here, you go baby carriage. Is there a baby carriage in here? There's no emoji for a baby carriage. A stroller? No. So a pram in England, in bloody England, they have a beautiful pram, okay? You have your handlebars. You have these big ass wheels with your baby carriage in here, okay? This is a pram, okay? And then your baby sits in here, cute little head. All right, with this nice little blanket. Okay, this is a pram. Okay? And then we have the shoe. Okay? We all know what a shoe looks like. Okay. This is how I'm going to pronounce your name, Pram Shoe. I think this is a good pram, guys. Look at this thing. I should have done some like 90s spinner rims on it. Retest your previous highs. I'm gonna get in so much trouble, man. Love you, LBC, man. Good morning. Said it first. Let's go, Henderson. My thumbnails are on fire. You guys see I created new thumbnails for the beautiful Asia stream. Look at how ugly my face is. I got this one now because it's Asia. I thought we'd include some gaming. We got this one. We got this one. Look, enter the matrix, guys. Enter the matrix. We got Alex on fire. Like Alexis on fire. You get it? Pretty good. We got the OG one, right? This is the original, man. You can't beat this one. I use the same damn thumbnail every single stream, bro. Vader on virtuals. Robotics. They pivoted robotics. That's cool, man. I'll take a look at that. Is it a heavy breather? Vader. I'll do the Matrix the next Asia stream then, Jeanette. Good morning, Alex. How do you feel about India? India's cool, man. I mean, you guys are... I love a good curry. I think the Indian people are very nice. I have some Indian friends. There's a lot of you guys in Canada. Like, you guys are all supposedly students here. I don't know how you guys come here for studying a lot. Which is cool, man. I love everybody as long as you're kind and not a douche canoe, man. I grew up downtown Toronto. I was the only white kid until about grade 8. Then there was 2 other kids in Canada in the 90s, okay, downtown Toronto. My best friend was Naroshan Sarweswaran, who was from Sri Lanka, and Shivanujan Chanjakumar, who was from Sri Lanka. Zardar Khan from Pakistan. Okay, so I grew up in small Chinatown too. So like Linda Ban and Larry Liu. Okay, Le Homa Ho Ho Le Sol Joma Yeah. I speak a little bit of Cantonese. Vanakkam. I speak a little bit of Tamil, right? Gung Hei Fat Choi, man. I love everybody. Just don't be a douchebag. That's how I am, man. You see? Tamil names, like Sri Lankan names, are the longest names on earth. I couldn't make up Naroshan Sarweswaran. I couldn't make up Shivanujan Chandrakumar. Okay, I can't make it up. Okay, we grew up with these guys, best friends. Ride our bikes together. Teach them how to play hockey. They taught me how to play cricket. You know? But just don't be a douchebag. So I could find like a school picture, guys, and you would see the only reason why you could find me in the picture is because I'm glowing. Okay, it's the only reason why you could find me. Let me see. I think I have it saved somewhere. Let me see if I can find it, because right now there's definitely no trade, guys. I'm still waiting here. I do have. Oh, there's the Vegas trip with you guys. It's funny. I have so many pictures of my little guy. I think it's right at the beginning here. I think I have it somewhere in here. I should create a folder of like the old pictures. That's when I lived in Scotland. Still waiting on price to come lower, guys. I'm looking for the trade at the point of control here. See if I can find this picture in the meantime. There's me in Edinburgh, in Scotland. I lived in Scotland. That was pretty cool. Still waiting. See if it can come lower here. Hope everybody's having a good evening. Had a good trading day. I mean, I've had a bomb diggity trading day. I don't know about you guys, but I've had a good trading day. Let me see if I can search here. School picture. School photo. Let's see if the AI can... Oh my god, the AI found it, guys. Bro. Oh my god. Okay, let me share this to the Discord. See, just ask AI to find it. All right, so we're on this is an exchange trip. My best friend's in this too, Abdullah Salik. He's from Turkey. Okay, we're on an exchange trip. Guys, we're on an exchange trip with Winnipeg, okay? This is Winnipeg. You see down at the bottom here? This is Winnipeg. All in here, this is Winnipeg. You see how white Winnipeg is? Look, they're all Winnipeg. All right, that's Henry. I went to school with Henry. This is my class. Small Chinatown. That's Kevin, Andy Yu, Christina Yang. Okay, Durga Rajendran. Okay, Amy Yu. Look, there's Alex right there. Amy, Mr. Fenton, our gym teacher. My best friend Abdullah. Not in my school. Look, white guy, not in my school. White girl, not in my school. My school, this guy, not in my school. Andy Yu. Betty Tran. Sam, not in my school. Not in my school. Okay? This is, nobody in here is in my school except for Andy right here. Vietnamese. All right? Linda Ban. AlexOCrypto. Get at me. See? Wild times, man. That was an exchange trip with Winnipeg. Nick, why did you start live trading so late? What do you mean? Like Asia session? I had to put my son down, man. I trade New York every morning. Okay, you can join the Discord and send samples, man. Not spam the chat. I'm gonna let you think about what you're saying in my chat. And go have a nice evening. God bless you. Pranshu. The little man is handsome, yeah. I like a vindaloo or a very spicy butter chicken. I grew up more diverse than you did. Yeah. We're living in Canada, and I was the only kid in my school who could skate. Okay? Like ice skate. Do I trade the orb? King D, I pretty much invented the crypto orb, okay? I learned it from Max. And then I started doing it, and the rest is history. The rest is history. I've back tested it though on strategies, but yes, I love the open range breakout. That is my bread and butter. And look, we have retested the open range breakout just now, actually. I'm not going to say I invented it, but I invented it. Oh man, breakout, retest, continuation off the orb, right? Trying to push here for soul. I bet you were a scooter kid. Bro, I smashed scooter kids. I would boned ollied into their foreheads off of the kickers. Okay? I'd 3-flip nose slide their decks. I am doing a little bit of an Asia session for the family and for everybody else. What? Trying to get continuation here. Not really liking this price action tonight, guys. This was okay. Overextended to the upside here. Trying to push up. Money flow is coming in though. Bitcoin looking a little bit better than Solana right now. Trying to push higher high. Continuation. Push. See if we can get Solana follow through here. No trade yet, still waiting. Halfway down the candle. I'd like to see us come for the liquidity here, but nothing yet, still waiting. Bitcoin's got a break. Trigger wave trying to push here. Retest previous lows or previous highs. Continuation out. Still no trade. Have a great night, Nick. XRP is rolling over. SFP of the high. Okay. If you had to choose two trading strategies as someone who just got started, what would you choose? I would trade, well, You got to learn price action. You got to learn structure. You got to learn liquidity. You always have to learn price action plus volume equals market structure that hunts liquidity. It looks for liquidity. So you must understand that price action and volume is going to create structure, which is going to go after liquidity. So you must understand that. Then you can apply strategy to that idea. Doji and golfing. I'm long. Let's see if this thing goes. Maybe we get long here. Looks strong. Maybe one more VWAP slap. Maybe. Just waiting. Still waiting here. We got to pay attention if we're going to trade. I did want to see lower on Solana. I do want to see it come here. A little fake out. Yeah, no trade. Bad candle. No trade. Bearish divergence rolling over. Nasdaq's pushing though. Nasdaq has a bid. Biddy looking weak here. 12 minutes on our side. Look for a slap here and go. Slap and go. Lower. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. I do not use no hot zone. No, I do not use a hot zone indicator. You could take a little cheap trade here. We could. Let me take a stab. I'm long. Push. 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 Go, go, go. I'm out. Quick scalp. $97. It was up 500 at one point. GG's. Could have held it. Quick scalp. Quick $100. Base it. Happy days. Good candle. $4,800. Come on, we need $200 more, Alexander G. Should have held it, right? I think I was being a bit of a nambe-pambe. I am still taking applications to be Alexandra G's husband. 666, guys, okay? 666. 6 figures, 6 inches, 6 feet tall. She isn't even that tall, but I'm just saying. We have an email in the description down below if you do want to submit. I've had a couple Alexandra G. They're just definitely not worth mentioning. They're like, I'm 6 feet tall. I make $40,000 a year, and it's about 2.5 when it's cold outside. I'm like, well, we're not in for the half measures club here. Looks like a button on a fur coat. Tau is dead. Tau's moving? Let's go. Nice break of momentum, continuation, getting above this high. Nice market structure change. Beautiful. Continuation. Major resistance here. We'll see how it behaves. Now that you've mitigated this, that's good. Now you look for a higher low. That's how I would treat it. I'm going to even set an alert here in case I wake up in the morning and there's a trade. Thanks, David. Or Rob. I think it's David, but if it's Rob, hello, Rob. How's it going? Hello, David. Either way, they're both gorgeous. Quick underbooks. I think that was a good close. Where are we at with Solana? Did it come back down? Yeah, it was a good close. Good scalp. Took in the momentum there, guys. Taking the momentum for a little bit of a walk. Yeah, we chop it again. Chop and pop. So Solana, the way you scalp Solana. Okay, Solana likes to do this. So what that means is that you have to have direction correct. Okay, you can't be wrong with direction, otherwise you're stopped out in either way. Okay, so you see you chop. If you're long here, you're fucked because it chops and it pops, right? If you're short here, you're fucked because it pops. Now, if you know how to use Bitcoin as confluence, this morning we got long here on Solana. Why? Order block tap, key level tap, long, chop, pop, pop, right? You got to get direction correct. If you don't, and you're trying to long Solana on a dump, you will pay the price. Okay. Now, a good way to trade Solana is to be checking your Bitcoin chart, seeing, hey, Bitcoin, through the VWAP here, holding VWAP, trying to push up. Is Solana doing the same? Well, now we can make an assumption with the structure, higher lows, break of structure, retest, continuation trade, right? So we can assume Solana is going to go up here if Bitcoin goes up. Does Bitcoin look like it wants to go up? Break of structure, higher low, bullish divergence, continuation, anchor trigger wave, break of structure, VWAP retest, continuation up. Yes, checkbox, 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 right? So now I've confirmed that. Well, what do we look for? Well, we look for entries, right? We look for retests back in. We look for momentum like I just looked for, right? We look for strength in a move, right? If this starts to look exhausted, we don't take the trade. Okay? Very simple, but very effective. Okay? Very effective. And you're not trying to be greedy with Solana, okay? You're just trying to take your money. Look, here's my last shorts and longs. Here's a whole bunch of Solana trades that I took within the last whatever. They're all Solana trades, guys. It's just a plethora of Solana, okay? Solana shorts and longs all the way through. Okay, $30, 300, 300. But it stacks, guys. It stacks. It's base hits, right? Don't need to be greedy. The best part about Solana, we got long here. I added here, right? Take profit, runner, take profit. Money flow crossover. This looks good, guys. This looks like it's going to rip. NASDAQ catching a bid. That's good. Bitcoin. Look at, what did we say? What's Solana going to do? Okay. But it's positioning yourself accordingly to take advantage of this move. I'm okay with $4,800 today. I'm tired. I'll see you guys in the morning. Sin City, thank you for dropping by. God bless you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Everybody else here, thank you for supporting the channel. You guys are top notch, man. I do appreciate you guys being here. Looking forward to the morning stream. Have a wonderful evening. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, gotta flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't